Thomas Edward Patrick Brady Jr., also known as Tom Brady, plays quarterback for the National Football League's Tampa Bay Buccaneers. He started his career playing for the New England Patriots for his first 20 seasons, contributing significantly to the team's dynasty from 2001 to 2019. His career and earnings. Brady agreed to a 3-year, $866,500 rookie contract in June 2000. Before the term of the agreement was over, Brady had secured the starting position, guided the Patriots to victory in the Super Bowl, and been awarded the game's MVP. Brady signed a 4-year, $29.6 million agreement 1 year after getting his first ring. Brady then guided the Patriots to a 37-11 record between 2002 and 2004. He was again voted to the Super Bowl MVP as New England won back-to-back Super Bowl titles. At this point, the dynasty was established and Brady started making history. In 2005, Brady agreed to another 4-year deal. This one cost $42.8 million. Surprisingly, the Patriots failed to win a Super Bowl from 2005 until Brady's next deal in 2010. Brady, however, was awarded Offensive Player of the Year twice and won 2 league MVP honors during that time. Every season, New England won at least 10 games, and they concluded the 2007 campaign with a perfect regular season record of 16-0. Brady earned his most valuable contract in the NFL in September 2010. To stay in New England, he agreed to a 4-year, $72 million deal. Throughout his time in New England, Tom Brady has consistently been willing to restructure his contracts. As a result, the team was able to free up cap space and surround their future Hall of Fame quarterback with more great talent. That is the winning attitude that drives the entire business. Brady agreed to reduce his $5.75 million salary to $950,000 in 2012, which was when the situation started. His roster bonus was changed into a signing bonus by the Patriots. This freed up a total of $7.2 million in cap space. Brady agreed to a 3-year, $27 million restructured contract the very next year. The Patriots added their 4th Super Bowl win in 2014. In 2016, Brady agreed to a further extension. It was a $41 million 2-year contract. The 2016 campaign, though, was not without controversy due to the use of slightly underinflated footballs against the Indianapolis Colts in the 2014 playoffs. Brady and the Patriots were under investigation. The Patriots defeated the opponent 45-7 in this game. In 2016, the Patriots dealt backup Jimmy Garoppolo to the San Francisco 49ers as soon as the ink was dry on the contract. This demonstrated that despite Brady's old age, the squad supported him. Brady added his 3rd league MVP in 2017, demonstrating right away that he was still capable of playing at a high level. In 2017 and 2019, the Patriots also won their 5th and 6th Super Bowl titles. Brady was benched for the first 4 games of the 2016 season following a protracted investigation. He lost his salary for that year, $235,294 to be exact. Brady subsequently penned a $30 million 2-year restructuring contract in 2018. His last agreement with New England was a 1-year, $23 million contract for the 2019 campaign. Brady has earned more than $275 million throughout the course of his career. He has a lot of lucrative endorsement deals off the field as well. Aston Martin, Tag Heuer, and Sam Adams are just a few of Brady's most recent sponsorships. Tom Brady is also sponsored by Under Armour, UGG, and Foot Locker. His houses. Gisele Bündchen and Tom Brady decided to buy a huge property to celebrate their big day in 2009. After getting married in a grand ceremony, the adage, "everything is bigger in Texas," is true. They spent $11 million on an 18,298 square foot mansion in Brentwood, California. They sold the home to Dr. Dre for $40 million 4 years after investing additional funds in a new design for it. According to reports, the Bradys invested $11.7 million in a lavish apartment at 1 Madison in New York City in 2014, before selling it in 2016 for $13.25 million instead of the $17 million they had originally asked for. They had only held it for 2 years. They continued their New York journey by eventually buying a second condo in the affluent Tribeca district of the city. Because Brady is well known for wearing the number 12, the $20 million condo spans 5,000 square feet and is on the 12th floor. His cars. At $230,000, the Ferrari M458T is one of the best and most expensive automobiles in the United States, and you can see why. This is not your typical run-of-the-mill sports car. If you put your foot down, you can accelerate in this Ferrari to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. This car is not for amateurs. He also has other luxurious cars in his collection, including a Rolls-Royce. After all, why not a Rolls-Royce? When you're driving around with your supermodel wife and children, you need a suitable family vehicle. For $335,600, which is more than the Ferrari M458T, he purchased the 2015 Rolls-Royce Ghost. Hey, if it has 4 doors, it counts as a family vehicle, right? Although I'm not sure I'd let the kids bring their ice cream in this car. With 563 horsepower and all the luxuries you could desire, the 6.6-liter Ghost is fully kitted out. His collection also includes a 2018 limited edition TB12 Aston Martin Vanquish S Volante, a 2017 Aston Martin DB11, a 2009 Audi R8, and a Bugatti Veyron Supersport, which is the most expensive one he owns. Tom Brady and his family have also made the headlines for their luxurious travel expenses. Tom Brady took his family on a vacation in April 2021 by flying them on a Qatar Airways private jet to Doha, Qatar. The Instagram photo of Tom and Giselle riding camels that millions of people saw was probably not the only highlight of their trip. Like many successful celebrities, in 2005, Tom Brady established a charity. Brady's Change the World Foundation Trust was started with an initial contribution of just under $500,000, with all but $10,000 coming from Brady. Alright guys, that's all for today. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it and hit that subscribe button for more like this.